Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today is the 23rd day in a series where I am taking the contents of advent calendars, opening them up, showing them to you. I'm donating the products to a nonprofit, and I will put a link in the description box down below about more information about the nonprofit. And I'll begin today with the OPI calendar. And this is pretty. This is a metallic red called Bogota Blackberry. Next is the NYX calendar. And this is a little eyeshadow called Twisted. Ooh, that's pretty. Like a blue gray, kind of steel gray, little shimmer. Really pretty. Someone will like that. The Body Shop. All right, and this is a lip product. Matte liquid lip in Tahiti Hibiscus. Pretty red. More bricky, I think, though, than what I'm wearing right now, but pretty. Feel unique? Not feel unique. I think I have been saying it the whole time. It's look fantastic. Look fantastic. I bought these myself so I don't feel as bad about the fact that I've been mispronouncing it or misspeaking it the whole time, but it's still annoying. Oh, this is nice. This is Aromatherapy and Associates De-Stress Muscle Bath and Shower Oil. They make really good products, Aromatherapy Associates. That's nice. And last but not least, from Space & K. And this is interesting. I think that we got the other one in a Look Fantastic day. These are Illuminating Self-Tan Drops. Light, medium, and you're supposed to put some of these into your regular moisturizer. So I hope somebody has fun with these. So yeah, that was day 23. Almost done. Thank you so much for watching. I'm having a lot of fun opening these and imagining other people using the products, and I hope that you're enjoying watching this too. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.